My child, come closer. For today I will not just tell you a story, I will open the chambers of my heart. You ask me, Radha, what is Krishna's importance in your life? But my child, this question is like asking the sky how important the sun is, or asking the soul how important breath is. Krishna is not simply important to me, he is everything to me. To the world, he is many things. To some, he is a playful cowherd stealing butter and hearts. To others, he is the sweet sound of the flute enchanting the forests of Vrindavan. To the warriors, he is the charioteer of Arjuna, the voice of wisdom on the battlefield. To the kings, he is the prince of Dwaraka. To the seekers, he is the Lord of the universe. But to me, my child, he is none of these roles. To me, he is simply my beloved, the one who breathes in me, the one who makes Radha more than a name, the one who transforms my existence into love. When he plays the flute, my child, others dance in joy, but I dissolve. For in that sound I hear not music, but the calling of my own soul. When he smiles, others see beauty, but I see light, the light that keeps me alive when the night grows dark. When he walks away, others see distance, but I feel him even more deeply, because he has never truly left me. This is why Krishna is important to me, my child. He does not live in the world outside, he lives in me. He is not a visitor to my heart, he is my very heartbeat. But listen carefully, my child, for here lies the deeper truth. The importance of Krishna in my life is not because he belongs to me. I never said Krishna is mine. He never said Radha is mine. Love between us was never about possession. It was always about surrender. Do you understand this, my child? True love is not about holding someone in your arms. It is about holding them in your soul. True love is not about keeping someone close by force. It is about knowing they live within you even when they walk far away. Yes, destiny took him away from Vrindavan. Yes, the world cried, saying Radha has been left behind. But my child, I was never left behind. For can the river ever be separated from its source? Can the fragrance ever be separated from the flower? No. Krishna may have walked to Mathura, to Dwaraka, to Kurukshetra, but he never walked away from me. He lives in every tear I shed, in every smile I wear, in every prayer I whisper. That is why, my child, even in his absence, I was full, because he does not live in the world outside, he lives in me. This is the lesson you must take into your own life. When someone truly awakens your soul, they never leave you. Their importance is not in how often you see them, but in how deeply they shape you. The world may say you are apart, but if your souls are one, then no force, no distance, no time, no destiny can separate you. My beloved Krishna is important to me not only because of who he is, but because of who I became through him. He transformed me. He revealed to me that love is not a bargain, it is not an exchange, it is not desire. Love is surrender. Love is worship. Love is becoming so one with the other that even your name loses its meaning. Without Krishna, Radha is nothing. With Krishna, Radha is not just Radha, she is love itself. So my child, remember this. In your life too, there may come someone who awakens you. Someone whose presence feels like sunlight, whose absence feels like silence, whose love teaches you who you truly are. Do not measure their importance by how much the world approves or how much you can hold them. Their importance lies in how deeply they live inside you, how completely they transform you. That is what Krishna is to me, my child, not a person I loved, but love itself. not a companion who walked beside me, but the very essence of my being. My beloved Krishna, without him, Radha is a body without a soul, a song without music, a temple without God. With him, Radha is eternal devotion, eternal surrender, eternal love. And you, my child, when you find the one who becomes your Krishna, cherish them. Do not cling with fear, do not demand with pride. Instead, surrender. Honor the love, the transformation, the oneness. For that soul is not just important, they are divine. This is the truth of Radha's heart, my child. Krishna is not part of my life, Krishna is my life. And as long as Radha's name is spoken, Krishna's name will be spoken with it. Because Radha is incomplete without Krishna, and Krishna is incomplete without Radha. Together, we are love, eternal. That, my child, is his importance in my life.